welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. Today we are going to unbox a crazy China item which is an awesome gift for everyone who's suffering the summer at the moment. It's a mini fan. So, and it's kind of invisible also, so let's go ahead and check how we can go ahead and use this fan, and let's go ahead and first of all unbox this and see how this fan looks. And please do not blame me whether it works or not, because even I don't know that. I'm just trying it out. So let's start with the unboxing of this. So now we are going to go ahead and unbox this. This is the item. It's called as wearable sports fan. So let's turn over and check this item. Okay, I would just take my handy scissors over here, and so this is the fan. I got it for 499 rupees on Amazon. I have no idea how this is gonna be. Okay, we are just opening it. We don't need any key features or anything. We know it's just a fan. So it is packed well. Actually, for the China item, it is packed very well. So let's see. There was a glitch in between. Let me just take that out. So we are just gonna tear this off because it's useless now to keep all this. Sorry for the sound. So there's a micro USB cable which they gave along. There's a pamphlet over here. It's called Blessed 360-degree fan, and logo is kind of good. And this is the fan. We don't even need this plastic now. This is the total fan which we have got. How this works is like it slides like this, and this is the button to switch it on over here. So let me try doing that. I'm going to switch on. Okay, the fan has started. If you can hear the sound, it has started. So let me see how it is used. Just press the same button. It gets off also, this button. So how it mentions over here is just like a headband. You can wear this. So let me go to the main cam over here, where we'll be able to see this better, how this is going to work. So this is just like a headband. Take it behind your neck, keep it like this. I'm going to switch off my studio fan over here, which is next to me, to just check how good is this fan also. And this is bendable to any way you want, like for summers this is useful. Okay, now I have no idea where's the button. Okay, it's here, this side. So we are going to switch it on over here. Okay, let me set this properly. Okay, let me see what is this. Okay, button is not that side, it's in the front side. So let me turn it this way. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to fix this. It goes on neck. Okay, now the button is here. So we are just switching it on. We'll press it and keep it. So fan has started, but I don't feel any air on that. So let me just push it a little bit this side, and this also. Let me see if there is any speed variation over here. Oh yeah, if I press the power button again, it becomes faster, and I can keep it a little bit further also away from me. Now it's gone to lower speed. Next speed. Next speed. You can I just switched it off so you can hear the sound. And if I just keep it like this, you won't even know I have a fan over here. Mostly if I just go under the camera range and I can just keep it on. Just by the mic recording, you'll be able to know. So this is one of my craziest unboxing till the date, because for summer's heat, this is good, which you can utilize. And if you just hold it and keep it, it'll switch off. But unless you want to go ahead and make it into a different way of doing it, you can twist, turn however you want, and it would work well. So this is something which you can use for the summer heat. If you're a sports person, it's well and good, and it does charge well also. So yeah, long press for 3 seconds on and off. That's the key to change the cycle speed. That's what is good in the box also. And obviously, as it's a China product, it will take about 2-3 hours to 4 hours for it to charge. So it will show you the light. I think so. It has the light function also. Working, blue lights flashing. In charging is a red light. Full charge is blue light long on. Battery is low means the red light is flashing. So it's given all the details over there how it can charge it. It's not telling how long it takes, but for $4.99, that's kind of quality product, and it is solid plastic over here. So it can just go. It's like a neckband you have. So like you use this. I'll just show you the example of JBL headset to just put in the neck like this and keep. You can just keep a fan like that. So it follows the same theory, but with a fan attached to it. So that's another level of invention by our dear Chinese citizens. So let's go ahead and try this out. And I'm not taking any guarantee how long it's gonna work, but that's something we can look forward to. Until next time, if you did like this video and enjoy it, please do like and subscribe. This is Kamal, and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you do have a wonderful day ahead.